Hi, it's Zach here. I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the official As Seen on TV Clever Tongs. Now, if you've seen the commercial for these, you know they're pretty cool. It's a mix between a spatula and a pair of tongs. Let's check out the commercial.
Need Clever Tongs, the 2-in-1 kitchen helper that flips like a spatula and grips like tongs to grab, scoop, and serve foods fast and easy without the mess. Clever Tongs is commercial kitchen quality, so it's oven and stovetop safe. Its revolutionary hammock design cradles food, making it fast and easy to grip it and flip it or scoop it and serve it, all in one amazing kitchen helper. It's strong enough to hoist an entire pot roast, but soft enough to grip and flip delicate fish fillets. Hard or soft, big or small, Clever Tongs lifts them all. Flip potato cakes fast and easy right in the pan. Slide and serve chicken nuggets with ease. And topping off a pyramid of egg rolls is a breeze. Scoop a mountain of chicken stir-fry from the pan directly to the plate, or grab ground beef and place it perfectly inside the taco shell without missing a morsel. Grab and lift a whole bundle of asparagus spears right from the pot, or scoop, lift, and serve an amazing Philly cheesesteak in seconds. Clever Tongs is the handy 2-in-1 helper you need to grip and flip that king-sized ribeye with ease, and then flip and serve a mouth-watering grilled cheese. Scoop and flip delicate eggs over easy, grip and turn breakfast meats, flip the flapjacks, and then scoop and serve the potatoes.
Now, with our exclusive deal, you're actually going to get 4 Clever Tongs. You're going to get 2 pairs of the larger ones and 2 pairs of the smaller ones. Now, you can choose to pass that other set along to a friend or family member, or as you saw in the video, these are great for serving, so maybe you want to keep them on hand for a party. Now, there is one thing we want to mention about the Clever Tongs. Sometimes when you have them angled straight up like this and you go to clamp down, the lock will actually go into place. It's not a huge deal. I just keep my palm on it when I do that, and it really doesn't bother me at all. Now, we have a fantastic deal on this 4-pack, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.